Good morning. This experiment today is related to implementing interface. So, as we know, interface is a function with no implementation. So, it's a collection of abstract function with no implementation. So, here we can see there is an interface. Name of the interface is INTF. And interface is the keyword. Interface is the declaration syntax have to be written to identify interface. The uh, keyword has to be mentioned, and inside interface there must be given a blank function definition, that is a function with no implementation. So here we see, so if we try to write some coding, it gives error. It will give error, definitely. You can check it. I'm not going to do this now. But it is a blank it is a function with no implementation. And then here we have two functions, add and sub. There are two functions. Now uh, now this function have to be, these two functions, they are abstract functions. So interface is a collection of abstract functions. What is this abstract function? Abstract functions are function with no implementation. Okay, that is the definition. Now who have to implement it? It have to be implemented by using the keyword implements. IMPLEMENTS, implements. So some class have to implement or have to write the code for these functions. Some class have to implement or have to write the code for this interface. Inside the interface itself, we cannot specify the code. The code will be abstract, that is, it depend upon the class who is implementing the interface. It may change from one class to another class. Right. So implementation is depend upon the class, and the function is only the description is provided in the interface. So some class have to implement using the keyword implements. IMPLEMENTS. uh, so in this program that you can see, in this program that you can see here, we are using this interface with two functions, uh, and they have to be implemented inside the class IMPL. And then there is a public class main, which is we are going to use to see what is the output, and to invoke this add and subtract function implemented by the class IMPL. So firstly we have a interface. This interface is implemented by the class IMPL. So interface have to be implemented by some class using the keyword implements. IMPLE MENTS implements we have to provide to implement a interface, and this class have to implement both the function add and sub, have to implement both the function add and sub. So after implementing, we are going to create a main function, and from the main function we are going to create object of this class IMPL object, and from the object we are going to call the first function add and pass value 3 and 4 and print the value. So add 3 and 4, we will get the value 7. Then using the same object created here using the new IMPL constructor, so this object obj dot sub 7 comma 2, so it will return 5. So 5 will be the output. So 5 is the output. So firstly, so what we have done here, firstly we have created a interface. First we have created a interface, then we have implemented this interface, and implemented to both the function add and sub, and in a main function we have printed the function by invoking the implemented function add and sub, and from the by creating the object of the implemented class, means the implementing class, by creating a object of the implementing class.